For making a paper flower, we need small square sheets like this. Take one sheet and join this corner to this corner, making a triangle. Now join this corner upwards. Repeat the same on the other side as well. So we made 2 more small triangles. Now with the help of your finger, open this side and join it like this. Make sure you crease it line to line. Now this remaining part, we will fold it downwards like this. We will do the same thing with the other side as well. Make sure you join it line to line. Now fold it towards its inside. We'll fold both of these sides to the center like this. Now we will stick both these sides with the help of a glue. You can use Fevicol or Fevistick, any of your choices. Apply the glue and stick it. We will make the rest of the petals as well, following the same process. Now take this leaf, apply some glue on it and stick it. I hope it's easy. That's it. Our flower is ready and you can see how beautiful it looks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EdPrime. See you in the next video.